Hey guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. And today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Spigen Thin Fit P. This is an S Pen case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3, and I'm hoping it does a better job for me than some of my previous cases. I've got the Samsung silicone case here. I mean, it's okay. It's not too bad. And we have a future case, which I have the S Pen in right now. Again, it's okay as well. I'm hoping the side mounting for the S Pen works out better on the Spigen than on this future case. I'm not a big fan of this back because it just kind of rocks around a little bit, you know. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick and take a look at it. All right, start at the top here. Nothing else in there, huh? Interesting. All right, I would expect something to be in there. So I ordered this off Amazon. Okay, that is the original seal. All right, just do a little check there. All right. We do have some instructions and all that. All right, so it comes with the little pieces of tape to help stick it on permanently. I'll put those on after trying it for a while. I'm gonna make sure I like it and don't want to switch back to my other cases. Some promo for one of their wall chargers. What do we have here? Installation instructions. All right, let's take a look at it. So here is the case itself. Let's go get this on. I'm just gonna go like that. All right, that is a secure fit. I'll give it that. Okay, I like that. Interesting, so the pin actually gets held on by the front part. I was expecting it to be on the back, but let's see. All right, let me get the pen and put it in here. So it should go just like this, huh? That doesn't feel so bad. All right. First impressions, it's a little bulky. That's for sure. Definitely feels a little wider in the hand. Let me put it in my pocket real quick, actually. All right. Yeah, I mean, I'll get used to it. But I don't sound super excited about it, guys, because I'm just not really too keen on having, you know, the S Pen stored inside these cases. It really does kind of irk me. I sure hope they remedy this with the Galaxy Fold 4. I do not like to look at it from the back side at all. That looks kind of weird. I don't know if that's going to show up in the camera, but just the way it protrudes out. And let's see, how's it for opening? Not so bad. Being right-handed, it is kind of a little quirky to pull the S Pen out of the left side because this is where I typically hold the Fold 3 from. I mean, I've had this since launch, so I definitely know how I prefer to use this phone. So now I've got to reach over on the left side. I know I'm making a mountain out of a small little problem, but I mean, the thing is, you know, you use it all the time like this, going back and forth. You do want that convenience, so it is kind of inconvenient. I have to take it from the left and now use it in my right hand. And when it's time to go back, looks like I'm going to have to do this. Unless I fold the phone first, right? Let's try that out. Let's do it like this. I don't know. I guess you slide it down. Okay. So we have it like this. Yeah, take the pin out first, then do the thing right with it. You know, close it back up. All right, you know, that's okay. I'll get used to that. All in all, I feel like it's built pretty tough. I like that part. Let's see. Yeah, and it's got this nice little rocker here, this little bumper, I should say, on the bottom to kind of counteract what it has here for the camera. Let's look at that camera protection. Oh yeah, no, that's legit. All right, so I'll say that right up front. Both of these other cases, the silicone here, and the future case, they both just have this tiny little lip here. Like this camera bump isn't even a bump at all. You know, it's pretty much flat with the case. So on the Fold 3, this camera definitely protrudes, and that's on both these cases. Here, look at the silicone too. Let me put that right in view there, the camera. Get my hand out of the way. See that? It's just flat with the case, you know what I mean? Completely flat. So if you look at this one here, look how much of a bump there is on there. That's not the camera, that's the actual case itself. So yeah, I'm digging that on the camera part for sure. All right, cool. It's got its little logo right there, Spigen. I don't really feel like you need the extra little sticker things. I mean, I guess you could put it on there if you want to make it a permanent fixture, but I don't see it moving around at all. The only con I really noticed so far, guys, is like, it's just kind of weird to use the power button, you know, and the volume rockers. It's kind of like tucked behind here, this front part. So instead of having this whole area, you now have to put it underneath where that S Pen is. It does feel kind of interesting. I don't know. It's a con. I don't like it as much as using a regular case, but I think I'll be able to get used to it. All right, guys, so first impressions, I mean, for the price, this goes for roughly $40 to $45 on Amazon. So far, I'm kind of liking it. If my opinion changes, I'll follow up with a long-term review of it. But so far, I feel like this is probably about the best offering there is for those of us that do like to use the S Pen. And I have grown to become quite a fan of it in the last few months, especially since starting this channel. All right, guys, so this is the Spigen Thin Fit P. You can find this on Amazon for $40, $45. You can probably order it direct off their website as well. So far, a pretty good case. I do like the materials. I don't know what this is. It's like a rubbery plastic. I definitely dig that. It feels pretty good in the hand. It does feel interesting to have the S Pen right there. But until we get the Fold 4, or maybe the Fold 5, the way things are looking, and we get the S Pen integrated inside of it, this is probably about the best option there is out there. At least it is, like, compared to these here. All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching.